I decided I'm gonna slam it. I'm gonna take out the turbo kit anyway, so it doesn't matter. The car's gonna go back to NA. I think this is gonna turn into a stance build. All right, guys, just like that, the wheels off. I'm gonna go ahead and start slamming this thing. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. The Z is in the middle of the garage and the jack is right there, which can only mean one thing. We're gonna jack this thing up and fix the rear fitment of the Z. You guys can see this is definitely unacceptable. It's like 2 fingers in here. Yeah, no. So I decided I'm gonna slam it. I'm gonna take out the turbo kit anyway, so it doesn't matter. The car's gonna go back to NA. I think this is gonna turn into a stance build after getting these wheels. I've got like an itch that I need to scratch, and I think we're gonna do a stance build this time, guys. I'm kind of over the speed. It's not really worth it no more. So I'm gonna be taking off the turbo kit, just doing bolt-ons, but yeah, the fast days are over for me. I really like this stretch lifestyle. So let's go ahead and jack it up and slam it, and hope the turbo doesn't fly off. All right, guys, just like that, the wheels off. I'm gonna go ahead and start slamming this thing. Shouldn't take us too long. All right, guys, and just like that, one side is done. Let's go ahead and lower the car to see the difference it made. Oh yeah, it's way better now. The fitment is dialed. Yeah, no. You guys really thought I was gonna lower this thing and take out the turbo kit? Come on, gang. I went ahead and also took out the TE so I get a little legendary picture right here. The works, the TEs, and the big meaty welds. I would say this is a good little trinity to have. You got the show wheel, the stretch tire, you got the track wheel, and you got the gap somebody wheel. And just like that, we're back in business. This is a setup I was very excited to see. The stretch tire in the front with the meaty tire in the rear. This looks pretty sick, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, now the fitment is cool. The fitment on that rear tire was complete trash. And I was not about to lower the car, slam it with the turbo in the back. In general, I wasn't gonna do it. And now I could do pulls again because I've driven this car for the past like 3 days and I've been scared to go more than half throttle, so we got some fun again. Alright, which one are you guys taking? Work wheels or the TEs? I'm still taking the TEs. Alright, guys, fast forward about, I don't know, like 3 hours. Got myself a little haircut, came back to life, and just pumped some 85 in the Z, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little walk around of it with the works in the front and the welds in the back. This is pretty funny, guys, I'm not gonna lie. You got the stretch tire in the front, showing lip. Showing lip. At the complete opposite in the rear. What do you guys think? It's so funny, guys, because I'm telling you, I didn't plan to keep these wheels for that long. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I either A, was gonna throw them on the M340, or B, sell them. Obviously, I was gonna enjoy them for a little bit, but now I'm really liking the setup, bro. I feel like they really complement the gray. The only problem I'm having is the blue Workmeister sticker. That's the only thing I don't like. If it was red, it would be perfect. Now, do I want to change the work sticker to red? I don't know. I don't think so. So I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do. I kind of want to re-drill them though and put them on the M340. I just don't know how I feel about that because the car is on springs, and in my opinion, cars with these type of wheels, the fitment got to be like perfect. And if I throw coilovers on it, it's a check engine light. I have to coat it out, which I mean, I guess it's not that big of a deal, but it's just like more than anything, just annoying. So maybe in the future, I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll throw them on, have that fitment for a little bit, and once I get tired of it, I'll just throw out coilovers and just coat it out. It's not that big of a deal, but I don't know. Or should I just go with the original plan and throw on TEs on the M340? You guys let me know, please.
2,000 years later.
Damn, that fitment. Right back there. Damn. Good morning, YouTube. It is freaking cold, bro. Damn. Today is Sunday. Now a couple of days after the last tip you guys just saw. Had a busy week, and I haven't been able to pick up the camera until now. And we're taking the Z today to the gym, to a little Sunday morning workout. Why are we taking it? Well, I usually take it Sundays regardless, but it's gonna rain this whole next week from tomorrow to like Thursday, so I'm not gonna be able to drive this thing, so we're driving it today. Bro, I had a mini heart attack right now. I didn't have my harness on. I don't know why. That was my stupid fault. But I saw the cop coming. I'm like, bro, my harness. So I dropped the camera and I put it on or whatever. And he turned to like that first little driveway or entrance, whatever. And he made a U-turn. I was like, bro, this was gonna come for me, bro. There's no way. Oh shoot! One thing on the tire. And I was like, bro, this was gonna come for me, but nah, thankfully he didn't. So I haven't been able to do a pull in like a week or two because I haven't had the tire on here, and I was not about to do a pull with the 225. So I'll do a little segment here right now for you guys. Guys, but I just know it'll be no good because I was already grinding the gear right now. But I just have a feeling it won't be good, so I need to swap the clutch out ASAP. But damn, she's moving, bro.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it is currently raining. Before I ended this video, I did want to do something that required me to take out the Z in the rain. So now it's getting wet. But anyways, I want to do something before I end this video because I am literally torn apart right now. I do not know what to do. So hopefully this helps me make my decision. Should I re-drill the Workmeisters into the M340i's bolt pattern and slap them on? That has been a question I've been asking myself every day. I don't know how I feel about Meisters on a BMW. I think it'll look good. My only issue is the car's on lowering springs, so the rear fitment isn't the best. And in my opinion, when it comes to those wheels, you kind of need the fitment to be like on point. So I will need coilovers. I'm definitely not gonna bag it, but I would need coilovers. I don't know. I feel like it'll look good. But do I do this? Do I re-drill them? Or do I go with the original plan and do T37s? You know what? Let me bring out my TEs and put them in the back. Now obviously if I do get the TEs, it's going to be a bigger size than 18s, some 19s, but you get the idea. Damn, I think I made my decision already off camera. TEs or the Workmeisters? Yeah, I think I'm leaning more towards this, but you guys let me know. That's why I wanted to do this. What should we do? Obviously, it's not gonna be cameraed out, by the way. I just noticed that how it looks like that. No, it's not gonna be like that. I just didn't want to like lean it like directly next to the wheel. I didn't want it to fall. So, what do you guys think? TE37s or these Workmeisters on the MP40? Kind of leaning towards that, if I'm being honest. But you guys let me know. I wanted to do this so I could not only see it for myself, but also show you guys, and hopefully have you guys help me with the decision. Because yeah, that's all I've been thinking about lately. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below which setup you guys would personally go with. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys are all enjoying how the Z is looking with the stretch tire in the front, the medium tire in the rear. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.